This video, we are going to see how to install Postman in Mac. So search for Postman download. Go to the Postman downloads link. Here you can see the older version of Mac uses Mac Intel chip and the new one uses Mac Apple chip. Mine was using Mac Intel chip. So I'm going to click on Mac Intel chip. Click allow. This is going to take some time. Once it is done, we can see the Postman downloaded file here. Yeah, now it's done. I'm going to open the Finder. So I'm just going to double click on the Postman installation file. So verify the package, and then it'll ask if you the app is downloaded from the internet. Sometimes if you have not given the permission, you have to go with the system preference and give the permission to open the application which is downloaded from the internet. I'll click open now. So once installation is done, it will ask if I have to move to the applications folder. So I'll click on move the application folder. So now the installation is complete. So I will verify once again. And once it is done, we can see that our Postman will open. So this is about it. Thank you so much.